A conservatory is designed to let in sunlight. It's often referred to as an extension of the home, allowing people to enjoy the warmth of the sun without ever having to step outside. A prefabricated conservatory can be assembled in 3 days, so you can quickly have an indoor place in the sun. Producing a prefab conservatory starts with a customized computer-generated design. First, a designer selects the parts for the framework. This piece of vinyl cladding will be part of a decorative ridge. Then, all the materials are placed on racks. There can be 50 to 500 pieces, depending on the size of the conservatory. Using a circular blade, the metal cutter trims aluminum components to various lengths and angles according to his measurements. Another designer welds aluminum parts to build a gutter system. He makes tight welds for waterproof joints. Next, a team assembles the frame to confirm that the parts connect together. If successful, the framework will be taken apart for reassembly on site. After the roof's ridge beam is set on stands in the center of the frame, technicians bolt one end of a load beam to the eaves and the other to the elevated ridge. More beams are added to create a truss system to support the roof. The stands supporting the ridge beam are removed. A designer measures and maps out roof panels on polycarbonate. The polycarbonate has a hollow waffle structure that gives it insulating properties. He cuts out the panels according to his measurements. After sealing the edges with felt, the panels are mounted to the roof. Vinyl cladding on the exposed structural bars secures the panels. The designer taps the vinyl with a hammer to flare it against the polycarbonate. Then he installs the vinyl ridge cap. The elaborate molded finials make a statement while stopping water from dripping into the top of the roof. He peels off the protective liner to reveal the translucent polycarbonate panels. On another production line, an automatic saw cuts vinyl components for the walls at the specified length. Routers carve holes for hardware. Saws cut notches in specific locations, enabling them to join the rest of the building framework. A technician arranges the vinyl posts and beams in a thermal welder. The machine melts the parts where they intersect and fuses them together. Each part of the wall frame is welded separately and then joined together. The welding leaves the seams a bit rough, so a machine trims off any excess vinyl. A circular saw moves in and cleans up the exterior corners. To customize the color, designers spray the wall frame with an acrylic paint that chemically bonds to the vinyl to prevent chipping. Back to the white frame, a team inserts a glass panel in the ridged rim. Strips of vinyl around the edges hold the glass in and keep water out. The team assembles a factory display model. The wall panels are installed into grooves on the frame and connected by aluminum posts. Next, the doors are installed. A technician tightly pulls the wall frames to the aluminum posts using nylon composite devices. Vinyl casings cover the posts and any nylon locks. Using a crane, the team lowers the roof onto the structure and bolts it in place. The conservatory is complete. Now it's time to relax while sitting indoors.